Red, orange, yellow, green, the brightest colors you've ever seen. Blue and pinky on the way to solve a mystery car today. Yeah, let's go! Pinky's walking one-to-one, looking for some Sprunki fun. She looks at the car under the sky so blue. Is someone hiding? I'll find you. Pop the hood, look inside. Where do red and orange hide? In the engine, surprise! You won't believe it. No, no, no. Hiding in the car. Where did they go? Pinky's in the center, searching every place with a big pink smile upon her face. Under the seat and the glove box too, finding every plushie old and new. Open the door, look on the floor, finding two, then finding more. Yellow and green tucked away. Come on out and join the play. Check the trunk, open wide, a plushie party deep inside. Blue and gray, we found you. Clap your hands, feel the sun. Searching the car is so much fun. No yellow tones, just blue and bright. Everything is shining in the light. You won't believe it. No, no, no. Hiding in the car. Where did they go? Pinky's in the center, searching every place with a big pink smile upon her face. Under the seat and the glove box too, finding every plushie old and new. Like and subscribe, don't you wait. Pinky found the squad and she feels great. A formal bow and a double arm wave. Pinky solved the mystery, she was brave.
Woo! Five friends walking, step, step, step. Pink is in the middle with a lot of pep. On the marble floor, so shiny and bright, we're looking left and right in the warm, soft light. Pink, red, and blue, marching in a line. High step walking, feeling mighty fine.
Marching to the scene.